Hi guys, this is me and G planning our itinerary before we leave for Baguio later. Hi, nasa SM food court. Nasa SM food court kami ni G. Pagbaba ng bus, G, binaba muna namin yung gamit sa baggage counter, what else. Tapos nagbayad kami ng 40 pesos for 2 baggages. Tapos mamaya na namin siya kukunin pag mag-check-in kami para convenient. Umorder kami ng lunch sa Oriental Bowl. Hi guys, me and G are at our transient room. She's sleeping. God. We thought we're just going to do like a TikTok break and then we're going to talk about where we're going next, because the plan was after checking in we'll just rest for like an hour and then we'll go around the city more and explore and then eat dinner and then check out the night market. But she's sleeping. It's been like an hour and a half and it's raining outside. I think it's raining hard because I can hear it inside. So I don't know, super cold guys. I feel like I'm going to change my clothes because it's too thin for Baguio weather. Yeah, I'm gonna change my clothes. I hope I brought spare and hopefully clothes that have much thicker lining. Yes. Bye. Hi guys, we're at Good Taste. We're going to have our dinner at Good Taste, y'all. Super lucky kasi walang pila sa labas. Yay! Ano masasabi mo, Gigi?
Mabilis. Excited.
Cool. May ano, robot server. We're done eating na pala, guys. Hindi namin naubos, actually. So, ang ginawa namin, tinake out namin. Pang midnight snack din yun, oy. Here is Gigi eating her tangkulo. ASMR. Sana narinig. Okay. Rate it. Rate it. Ay, describe the taste mo na.
Sweet. Medyo sour pero sweet pa rin.
Okay.
9 out of 10.
Mas sweet kesa sour? What? Talaga?
You
Ba't
want try?
ayoko?
Sarap niya.
Nadikit kasi sa ngalang-ngalang. Okay, enjoy, pretty girl. Guys, awesome find near SM Baguio. Look at that, electricity cable. Flowers grew on them, like the vines crawled and then flowers bloomed. That's beautiful, yo. I don't know. Very beautiful for me. When nature and city or society collaborates. Wow, meets. G at the back. Hi Gigi.
Hello!
Where are we?
Botanical Garden sa Baguio.
Dahlia Garden kami right now. Madaming butterflies. Yeah. Tapos madami ding themed gardens na pwedeng i-explore. Pero merong 100 pesos entrance fee for non-residents. Ang alam ko. Ayun. So, we're just going to explore, guys. Malamig here. Parang mas malamig kasi sa other spots.
Actually,
Yeah. We had to ride a jeep because it's quite far from the city center. Or from Baguio.
lalakarin 30 minutes.
Sheesh, talaga?
39.
Buti na lang nag-jeep kami. Holy shit. Okay. Alright. Now, we are at the Japanese themed parang, I don't know, gazebo. What's evs? So let's go inside the tunnel. Now we don't know if this tunnel is like man-made or whatever, but you scared? Are you scared? Pota, mawawala tayo. Di ako kaiwan! Gago! Ba't mo kayo iniwan? What the fuck? Wag na, tara na. Mawawala pa tayo eh. So guys,
Pupunta kami
turns
sa
out,
loob ng Narnia.
scaredy cats kami. Hindi namin mahanap ang Yamashita treasure kasi hindi namin kaya. Tapos gusto mo maging archaeologist? Paano ka makakahanap ng mga buto-buto ng mga pharaohs kung gano'n, Gigi? Kumbaga, takot siya eh. Ay, yawa. Unti ka na ako madulas. Ang dulas ng sahig. Maano, mamos, malumot. Okay, bye. Look guys, I saw a hydrangea, whatever. And the petals look like butterflies. Kita nyo? Lalo na yung nasa gitna. Ayun, kita nyo? Right? They look like butterflies. Cool! Very beautiful, no? Tingin sa veranda sana. Guys, we're at Oh My Gulay. Just in the restroom because ihing-ihi na kami. Kakakape. Pero sobrang sarap ng kape ng Heiji Cafe, Library Cafe. Sobrang lucky namin. Ang lakas namin sa universe. You guys know why? Last call kami sa Oh My Gulay. Pagdating namin dito, hindi namin alam hanggang 7 p.m. lang sila. But, sabi naman, let's just check it out. Baka hindi pa sarado. Pagdating namin sa 5th floor pa yung restaurant. 5th floor yung restaurant. Pero, close na dun sa door pagdating namin. Tapos parang, sad-sad ganyan. Pababa na kami. Dumating si ma'am na naka-black. Yung receptionist nila, front house. I'm not sure, baka siya yung owner. I don't know. Hulog ng langit. Biyaya ng universe. Sabi niya, guys, want to come in? Sabi niya, yes po sana. Okay guys, you guys can come in. Sorry po. Kayo yung last order, ganun. We're so lucky! So, we got in. We ordered. Mag-rice kami for dinner. G and I got the best sellers. Mamaya, pakita ko yung view. I'm so happy. My heart is so full. The interior is so good. Same vibes ng ililikha. Medyo madilim na dun sa na-shoot ko na footage. Ayoko naman syempre mag-flashlight. Sinira ko yung ambience ng other customers, diba? Ayun. See you guys later. We took the veranda tables kasi we wanted to see the night light. Basta the view. First time namin makita ni Gigi yung view paggabi sa Baguio kasi last night, our first night, we were on the grounds na Burnham Park kami. It was also fun. Burnham Park and then night market. Tapos nagpunta kami sa Baguio Market. I think we're going to come back to buy more souvenirs. We're so lucky. I'm so happy my heart is so full. Magical experience. This was God's gift, blessing, Eva's gift as well, blessing as well. Dahil dyan, giging mabait na tao na naman. Ewan, I'm so happy. There are fishes inside. I'm not sure if you guys can see. This is Gigi. Ay, thank you po.
Kunin ko na nito. Thank you.
How much was our total, Gigi?
498.
Okay. Yung sa akin ay my total for my dish was 250. Gigi's was how much, Gigi?
225.
Tapos merong service charge. Hehehe. 3. Oh my God. Awesome 10 commandments from Oh My Gulay. Pero feeling ko sa circuit na tayo. Ay, hindi. Mr. Mark Tandoyong. Okay. First, thou shall not talk half. Second, sometimes frustrated sperm whale. Third, gumawa ng kalokohan dahil makipot ng heaven. Fourth, aanhin pa ang gold kung patay ng magnanakaw. Fifth, thou shall not kill power. Sixth, thou shall not bear false witness. Seven, a witness pala. 7, thou shall not eat missionary rice. 6, 8, lucky sa layaw. 9, beware of human beings. 10, life is short. Peck shorts.
Love it.
We're going now. Thank you, Universe and Oh My Gulay for letting us in. Hi guys, si G ay nagwi-withdraw right now. Ngayon, meron akong theory. Sabi ko, bakit kung saan city mainit, hindi nag-work yung Slurpee machine? Kasi may nakakasalubong kami earlier this morning na basta students, may hawak silang gulp. Pero ako nag-register sa utak ko Slurpee. Tapos, na-realize ko lang, ay charot, gulp lang pala yung dala nila. So, baka wala din dito Slurpee. Alam nyo, ngayon, nasa 7-Eleven kami ng video si G. Boogs, may Slurpee sila. So, like, it's not fair. Bakit kailangan ng mga taong nakatira sa malamig na lugar ng Slurpee? Ba't hindi nyo kami kayang bigyan ng Slurpee sa Maynila, sa Cavite? Oh my God. Ang sarap ng flavors. Anyways.
Okay lang. Hindi
Sige
siya
pa,
ready.
kaya pa. Ready na siya. Okay, bye. Morning! Last day in Baguio.
Part 1. Kasi mamaya, after namin mag-check out,
Labas
lalabas
ulit kami. Kaso ang girap na magbitbit ng stuff doon. Guys, look. Nagano pa siya. Steam. This is our breakfast for our last day in Baguio City. Yeah. Thank you po. Bilang hi guys. Ano yung Gigi? Kasi nga, save the
turtles.
Guys, I cannot get over our drinks. So beautiful. Feeling ko maingit si Axel dito sa matcha chocolate na to. Smug face. Ano yung statement mo kanina? Mukhang mabubudol ka ng?
Another crystal.
Kasi, ano bang target mo?
Hindi ko din alam. I'm just feeling it.
Let's see. Kasi pag akit natin kanina, closed pa.
10:30 yung bukas.
Oh, okay. Aabutin natin. Guys, look at my sparkling tea. Beautiful. Infused with the rose. Okay, mag-test na kami. Bye. Okay, cool.
Sinabi na gumawa siya ng nirelocate niya yung isa pang kubo dito sa Ililikha.
Baka ito yun. Din. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa nila. Comfy! Gigi, it's so comfy here. Yeah. I get the hype.